Good morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bee, and this is hive number 69. Magnolia tree could be number 68, because I split it last time. But we can show you this one. Now we've got some more information towards the end that I'm going to show you with this spacer that I put on. Yeah, and you know, the feeder thing. So we're going to go into it and see what we got in here. We got a lot of bees. We're going to have to do some manipulating on this one again. Now the one right next to this, they look like they're doing pretty good, but this one here, I guess I left it to where I could get more bees in there, or they got more bees in there than I should have. But in my records, I've got to check them to make sure, you know, see how they see what the growth rate is. Come on, girl. Okay, now we can get to them. Push them all to one side. Give yourself more room on the one that you're going to take out. We even have the smoker going today. This one here is a foundation. We're not in the sun yet, but this is the foundation that they're building, and it looks like they're building it for honey because it's a big drone frame or drone sail. Okay, so we're going to sit it over here. And it's kind of what we want to show you a little bit later here about what they did. It's not a bad thing. It's just a thing. It's a my fault thing. And I don't want y'all winding up with the same thing. This one here is loaded down with brood and larvae and drones, stores, eggs. So this one's got the queen in it. That's this one. It's loaded up with brood. Got a little drone here on your right hand side. It's pretty good. It's possible that the queen came back to this side. Oh yeah, I can see what I'm doing now. Okay. Here's a plastic frame that I put in, that I'd waxed real good, and they are building it out real good. And that's what I'm gonna have to do to all my other plastic ones that I've got. Now that side they didn't build it out too well yet, and that's in the middle, but they're putting some nectar in it, and we'll put some more wax on that one. Put it back in the middle. Y'all see that? I didn't even look to see if y'all saw that. But that's this way. There we go. That's that one. And then that side there, we've got it pretty much built. Okay, see if we can do better now. This one here has got some weight to it. There's the yellow queen looking for a place to lay. she is right there. And she's looking for eggs, I mean a place to lay her eggs. And this one is just full with honey. Yep. She's looking for a place to lay. And she's right next to that plastic frame, so maybe she'll go over there. Because they've got it built out enough to where she can do something. Now this one, this is one that was empty in there, and that they built the foundation. They're building that foundation on their own fishing string. And what we're going to do here with this one is we're going to move this one with brood, I mean stores in it, and the queen, and we're going to move it over here to the side. And we're going to stick this one, because it's got small cells, and we're going to stick it right here. And maybe the queen will come back over here. Okay, that's that one. You saw that she had some room up here. And I want y'all to keep remembering that. Okay. We're going to take this one that they could have been putting honey in. And we're going to stick it over here, back where it was at. And then we're going to take this and set it on top of this box over here. Okay, now we're going to go to the bottom box and see what they got. There we go. Y'all can see we got a little sun coming in over there. Y'all can see it, I don't need to point it out. Okay, we're going to look at this one. This is another plastic frame. This is one that I put a lot of wax on. Okay, and they're building it out pretty good. Get my little duty to turn. There we go. Okay. There we go. That was, they got built out on that side. It's got piling in it. There's a few places they haven't built that maybe they removed the wax. This up here had a lot of wax on it. The whole thing had a lot of wax on it. But I found out that the bees will steal wax from one place and put it somewhere else if they need it. Now, that's that one. Not built out at all, hardly. And we're going to turn it around when we put it back in there. Whereas, now if that was, now this is just me. Like I say, there's a lot of people love plastic. And I may learn to later on in life, I don't know. Haven't happened for the last 22 years. But I used to use them. This one has brood and pollen and nectar. Good frame. Let's look, see what we got on this side. Okay, that whole frame there is laid up both sides. That side and that side. It has hunt nectar, drones, brood, and a whole lot of eggs and larvae. So we're going to put a check on that. Why are you doing that, Sam? Sam thing. Yeah, this is a frame that we put in there on the 14th, which has been 5 days. And it has they're building it out real good. See anything in it? Yep. So see, they've got room. But that honey flow kind of jumped up on all of us. Y'all can go back and look at playlist 69 and see what they're doing. This one here's got brood, larvae, stores. Pretty frame. This side here, same thing. Now, we're getting close to the important thing I want to show you. We're going to come back and put these all in a double deep 8 or a double deep 10. This one here is just stores. Both sides. Bottom clean. We're going to put that to the outside because you notice I got the whole front here opened up, which I don't really care for. But we're going to take this one that they're building out on. Pretty good on that side. Not so good on that side. And we're going to take it and turn it this way and put it right there. Well, it was right here, wasn't it? Yep. We're going to put it right on here then. Put everything on that side back to where it was. Okay. Push that over, push that over, push that over. We're going to push everything over. I ain't say it every time. Y'all know what we're doing. Okay, that one, I'm basically taking for myself. Keep myself on track. Okay, we're going to take this one and we're going to turn it to where that, you can see the wax in it. You see how it's waxed, but that was up against the wall. The other side was waxed too, and that one is that way. That way, there we go. Twist my hand. And we're going to put it right here. And we're going to put a red mark on it. We're going to center them back up in the middle. Now we come back with some more frames. I've got some ordered, but they're not here yet. Everybody seems to be running bad on their frames. And I'm going to give them some pollen patty, because they need to feed the babies. I think I'm, well, I guess not. Okay. Put this one back up here. We're going to take this and put it up here. Here we go, girlies. Hadn't even had to use my smoker. Okay, now we're going to take this off and put it back here. And we're going to show you, or tell you too, what's happening. We're going to call this one 68, I guess. Okay, now. This one is what we wanted to show you. You might need to get another one of these. To put on there. But we'll do it when we come back. Okay. Show you what we have here. Oh, okay. Now this is the feeder ring. Y'all saw that they had room in there. But all this is honey. Honeycomb. And I'm going to leave it right where it's at. Because it looks like they've capped the ends of most of them. Not capped them, but finished the ends off, except this one. So we're not even going to put the pollen patty in that one. Because we don't want to mess any of this up. Now I could drop one through this hole. But can y'all see that? That's what happens sometime. When the honey flow starts and you're not expecting it. Where I should have already had honey supers on here, but I had them I took them out this big box, put them in that box. So that box over there should have queen cells. But that's one thing I wanted to show you. If y'all want to know some more information about that, then let me know now. Now we're going to drop this through the hole. Not going to hurt the honey. But this one here, yeah, this is another one Sam didn't put a date on. But I will this time. This one over here, we checked, this one was done on the 14th. That's only 5 days ago. So, y'all give us a thumbs up, comment, share. Give me suggestions. We like suggestions, people. Really do. And, give us a comment. Tell people where we're at. Enjoy. Let me know what y'all doing. See, their bottom board there is all the way open. Which I guess is a good thing this time of year. But if I don't hurry up and put something in there, they're going to finish filling everything up with honey. And they'll be honey bound and they'll swarm. We don't want that. So we'll change all that today. Y'all have a great day. Be careful. Take care. Bye-bye.